You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Let's break down the pronunciations. From Japanese, in Japanese it is pronounced as Hira. Hira. In English, the pronunciation is most generally as Hira. Hira, although some pronounce it also as Hira. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.